More than 3 months after the coronavirus outbreak, the city at the original epicentre is standing down some of its medical teams. China's National Health Commission says all critically ill patients in Wuhan have recovered, with the last group dispatched from hospital on Saturday.
Wuhan, Hubei.
The number of patients in severe and critical condition in Wuhan city finally became 0, which marks a decisive victory in the battle against the virus and means that the COVID-19 treatment in China has reached international advanced levels.
The government is now focusing its efforts on a rise in imported cases in the northern province of Heilongjiang, which borders Russia. China has recorded more than 83,000 cases of the virus, but a study published in the journal Lancet says the numbers could be 4 times higher.
If they were just presenting with cold symptoms at a time of winter in China, then they simply would have got infected, thought they had the cold, maybe being diagnosed with having the cold or pneumonia-like symptoms, and then gotten better. We're talking about 85% of cases.
Singapore now has the highest coronavirus infection rate in Asia. It's reported another spike in its daily cases. The majority of new infections are migrant workers living in crowded dormitories. Medical teams have been deployed to step up testing and health checks, and the government has extended the nationwide lockdown until June. But as Singapore tightens its quarantine measures, Vietnam is starting to lift its restrictions. The streets in Hanoi are still empty, but some shops are reopening for business, with the health authority there reporting no new cases this week.
I observe that the government's decision and strategy are very well thought out and logical, and in recent days the outbreak has been pushed back. I feel grateful for being a Vietnamese citizen.
It's a downward trend being shared in South Korea, which suffered the first major outbreak outside China. Its government has outlined a 2-year recovery plan after reporting the lowest number of cases since the peak in February. But the South Korean health minister has warned citizens to accept the reality that life won't return to normal for some time yet. Sarah Clarke, Al Jazeera.